Welcome to Greenwood Village, the best located new townhomes that live like a single in Canonsburg with the quickest access to I-79, Route 19, and Southpointe. Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm excited to show you around. At Greenwood Village, your main level offers an open layout, great for entertaining, and the kitchen is a dream, complete with a large island, upgraded cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll love the spacious owner suite and 2 additional bedrooms for the kids, guests, or an office space. You'll finally have the space to work from home or entertain your friends and family on the weekends. Both floor plans include a 2-car garage and offer an optional rec room perfect for game day or a kids' play area. You'll also love the low-maintenance lifestyle that comes with townhome living at Greenwood Village. All of your yard maintenance will be done for you, giving you more time to enjoy the abundant shopping, dining, and entertainment options just moments from your front door in Canonsburg, Southpointe, and Bridgeville. Greenwood Village has the quickest access to I-79, Route 19, and Southpointe. The community is also located in the Cannon-McMillan School District in North Strabane Township. Shop at Donaldson's Crossroads or go south to Strabane Square and Trinity Point, both less than 7 miles away. Enjoy a night out just minutes from your door. Southpointe Town Center is less than 3 miles away. We know that buying a home can be a little nerve-wracking. We're here to help you through every step of the home buying process to make it as stress-free and smooth as possible. Contact us today to learn more about why Greenwood Village may be the perfect place for you to call home.